my love, and I am Subhasree. You can also find us at our official website, that is www.moremylove.com. So as you know, today is Monday and we have come up with our English comprehension. That is a best comprehension if you are preparing your child for grade 1 or if your child is learning how to read. Or if you are a beginner and you want to learn how to converse in English, then this is the best way, because this comprehension will have a passage which you have to read, and then you will have short question answers from this passage. So this will be very helpful, as there are unseen passages which comes in exams. So before I begin this comprehension reading session, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, because your support means a lot to me. So my daughter Chandre will be reading it for you. Today's topic is a letter from my friend. So can you read it?
Yeah. One fine morning, I checked my mail box. I was surprised to find a
closed
envelope. I could read my name written on it. Mom said it is my letter, and my friend John has sent it to me.
The envelope
has a stamp and my name and
address written
on it.
As
I opened the envelope, I saw a letter. It said,
"Hi Chandre, coming 26th of August
is my birthday.
Please visit
me for
an
evening birthday party. I am happy to receive a letter for the first time. I am also excited to join the birthday party."
Very good. Thank you for reading it for us. So today's comprehension is about a letter from my friend. So with this, your child will have an idea that what a letter is all about, and they are so excited to find a letter in their name, or even when they find something in the letter box. So here are a few questions and fill in the blanks which I'll quickly ask Chandre. So I found a letter in the, where do you find a letter? In a mailbox. So the next question is, what was there inside the envelope? There was a letter inside the envelope. On the envelope, I saw a stamp and my name and dash was written on it. My name and my address. Okay? If they don't write an address, the letter will not come to your house, right? What was written in the letter? Was it a birthday invitation? It was a dinner invitation, or it was invitation for football match? What was written on it?
Birthday invitation.
Good. So the letter was about a birthday invitation from a friend. You can quickly download the PDF, the worksheet from the description box below, as I will put the whole comprehension along with the question answers and few spellings from the passage. I will put it in a worksheet. You can directly download it from the description box and you can practice this at home. So that's all for today. Let me tell you that this channel is all about parenting, parent-child relationship, early childhood education, and much more that goes into parenting. So every Monday I come up with educational videos which relates comprehensions, maths and many more. We will also include some grammar classes recently because she's also preparing for grade 1. So thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned to our channel every day because every weekday we come up with new parenting videos. Please like and subscribe to our channel.